Buongiorno amici, buongiorno. Hi guys, and welcome to another amazing place in Italy. We are in the wonderful beach of Cala Spinosa. This is a beach where you can come only walking, or better only climbing all these rocks, and then you arrive in this beach. You see there are a lot of people which they come here because the water here it's amazing. There are a lot of stones and rocks and caves. It's very beautiful, guys, very beautiful. So we are here enjoying this beautiful beach. So let's go, guys, on the beach and discover this wonderful place. Also, let's swim all together in this amazing place of Cala Spinosa, where we are today. Wow, so nice, so nice. And we are at a few minutes by car from Santa Teresa di Gallura. Here we are just inside the cave. As you can see, it's a small cave here where people they come to like and to have some fresh air because it's on the shadow. And then from here now let's walk downhill to the beautiful beach of Cala Spinosa. Look at the water, guys. A lot of people they come here for snorkeling because the sea it's fantastic. So I must be very careful to go down because you see it's not easy at all. Wow, don't forget, guys, to subscribe to the channel to see such beautiful places around Italy. Subscribe to the channel, send your comments and your likes to support our lives, our tours, all together around Italy. So you see where people like to stand just between the rocks or under some cave which is made by the same rocks. So it's a very special place and typical. So here there are not many people because it's not for everybody to come here. And then there is no bar, no restaurant. There is just a small bar at the end of the climbing. You can go there for a bar, otherwise there is nothing. So when you come here, first of all some comfortable shoes, and then you have to bring everything to spend your day on the beach. So this is the beach, and the way to come down here to Cala Spinosa, it's this one. So all the way down you have to climb all these stairs, natural stairs, let's say, and then you arrive here in this amazing beach. So beautiful, the sea over here. Wow guys, the sea here it's wonderful, but really wonderful and amazing. Look at this, so beautiful everywhere, the color of the water, and below it's so crystalline and pure. So now let's swim a little bit more around this beautiful sea. Andiamo. Andiamo alla spiaggia. Vieni, vieni. Vieni, guarda fino alla spiaggia. Dai che siamo arrivati, dai. Di qua Leo. And guys, let's do some more climbing all together to see some other beautiful spots here in Cala Spinosa. Wow, look here, guys. Wow. This is so nice and so panoramic over here. No, di qua, di qua. Vai. So let's go there and entering the water from this new beach, so you will discover this wonderful place around Cala Spinosa. And from here the panorama, it's more and more beautiful. Look at these two beautiful caves down there, and then our main beach where we were before, and there the beach from where. So the color of the water is incredible, and it's so warm here, the water, guys, that you cannot believe it. Inside here there are some caves where there are some small swimming pools, we can say, and look at the blue color of Cala Spinosa. Wow, so nice. And down there is the faro. Wow, bellissimo, really nice. So let's go now and have some more swimming all together in this beautiful place. Leo ci faccio una nuotata, saluta.
Ciao.
So we are here with Leo, guys, and now we will go and swim a bit more together.